There's a crazy reason why UT Austin is making you take the SAT again. So they recently did a study which revealed startling data showing the massive achievement gap between students who submitted their test scores and those who didn't. Basically, what this is saying here is that students who did submit their SAT to UT Austin had a GPA of 0.86 higher on average than those who didn't. Now, a lot of you guys probably think that this is a big issue because the kids who score well on the SATs are probably going to be hiring expensive tutors to bolster their scores. But here's an even deeper issue with going test optional. Some universities have said that making scores optional had the unintended effect of harming prospective students from low-income families. This is in two ways. Brown, for example, said that some students from less advantaged backgrounds had chosen not to submit scores under the test optional policy even when submitting them could have actually increased their chances of being admitted. Also, the students who didn't submit their test scores and got into UT Austin are not doing as well in school as their peers who did submit their test scores. But this can also be attributed to the fact that these universities are not providing the right sort of guidance for these students who probably come from lesser advantaged backgrounds and thus are struggling in school. In either case, we wouldn't want these students to be struggling in school anyway, so something's got to change. And the way that UT Austin is doing it now is that they are requiring test scores again. So we'll see how that goes.